In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest a NinjaTrader strategy. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open NinjaTrader, and then in here, inside Control Center, you want to click on New in the top left. From here, you want to go towards the bottom where you can find Strategy Analyzer. So you want to click on that, and it's going to open up this Strategy Analyzer over here, or you can then go and set all the settings and then run your strategy, okay? So to do this, you first want to select Display. I'm actually going to put it as Summary over here, but of course you can do whatever you want over here. It's entirely possible. And then here on the right is where the main magic happens. So you first want to go and select your backtest type. For me, I'm going to go backtest, but of course you have a bunch of different options. But this video is about how to backtest a strategy, so that's what I'm going to use. Then from here it says strategy. You want to pick the strategy you want. I'm going to go with this sample ATM strategy, but of course if you have any custom ones, you can pick those as well. And I do have a separate video teaching you on how to build these custom strategies as well, okay? So once you've done this, you have to go to data series and you want to select your instrument. I'm actually going to go with something super simple over here. I'm just going to use this first one over here. And then price based on, you could do ask, bid, or last, which I'm going to do right now. Type, it could be minute, it could be day, tick, volume, whatever. I'm going to keep it as it is. And the value here I'm going to keep as 1. You could also do tick replay if you want to. And then you have the time frame, so you can go, of course, the start date and the end date. You can then go and customize these by clicking over here or the drop down to actually open the calendar. And you can, of course, set these two to get your time frame and trading hours. Of course, you can use instrument settings or do any of the other ones available here on the list. Once you've done this, you can select if you want to break at EEEOD. I'm not going to do this right now, so I'm just going to cancel this. And then the setup here, you can of course include commission. You can go and select the commission template, the maximum bars, basically look back over here, or I think it's called look back. Yeah, it's not allowing me to see this. Let me actually, yeah, there we go, look back. And then bars required to trade, you can of course select as well. And here, last but not least, you have the historical fill processing. You can just go and select like standard or high. Now here, if you click on this template button, you can of course go ahead and save this, load one, or reset it if you want to as well. Now I'm gonna hit this run button over here. It's gonna start running the backtest on this GCDC26 over here. And there we go, it's gonna go through, and just like this, you can of course then go and backtest a NinjaTrader strategy, okay? So that's how easy it is to do that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.